Hello everybody, my name is Ana Diaz. I am 29 years old. I live in Cali with my husband and my son. I am studying business administration program. I work for Company and today I will talk about our trip to Buenaventura. Really, it was great. We traveled in the boat to Bucana Beach, and the beach is great, but it's beautiful, and the sea is green, and the food is very delicious. I like to stay in this place. These the recommendations for the trip to this place, and this is the pictures of our trip, um, and uh, we are so happy. This is the finish. Thank you for watching.